Hey everyone, Albert here from PPC Ad Editor, and in this video I'm going to show you how to build a Facebook video ad using our mockup tool here. So this is the finished product. You can click on the ad here. You can see that I embedded a YouTube video. So let's go back so I can show you how to build this ad. So make sure you click on the ad types link, click on Facebook, create ads. We currently support single image video, carousel image ads, and story ads as well. And you can also use video for story ads. But let's go with single image and video. And let's do start from scratch. Hit continue. Okay, you want to upload a profile image. So I'm just going to pick that, enter in the profile name. Next, you want to click on Add Media, choose Add Video, and then put in that URL. Oops, let's put in that YouTube video URL. There it is. And then let's put some dummy text here. I'm just going to put primary text. Goes here, headline goes here. Description goes here. Let's enter in a URL and then choose a call to action. All right, then you want to hit save. There it is. You're in edit mode now. You want to click on the eyeball to be in preview mode. And you can test out the video by just clicking the play button.
In this video, I'm going to be talking all about
Awesome. If you want to edit the ad, click on the edit ad modal. We support YouTube, Vimeo, or LinkedIn, even Dropbox as well. So if you have those URLs, so let's try a Vimeo URL. This is a vertical ad format. I would probably use this for a story ad. So let me show you that. Same thing, ad types, Facebook, create ads, story ad. And let's do start from scratch. Again, upload a profile image. Oops, here we go. Add media. I'm just going to put test for this. Test. So definitely looks better since it's a vertical video. And let's do contact us. There it is. Pretty cool. Click play to preview it. Great. Thanks for watching.